What is up, all my cologne lovers out there? So you already know what it is by reading the title of the video. Another cologne review, and it is Rasasi Hawas Ice. So a lot of people vote that it smells like the Invictus by Paco Rabanne. But I can't compare it because this juice is just no good. Even though I kept it in a dark place, away from light, away from heat, for some reason it just smells like old licorice. A lot of people also vote that it smells like this, and this is Abercrombie First Instinct Together. So it really does smell like Invictus. It's just not as spicy, I guess, as this Invictus. This Invictus is so old. I think it's from 2016, actually. Here we go. So this is a 3.38 ounce, so almost 3.4 ounce. It is an EDP. So they claim, and I think I got this on Amazon for $29.99, I believe. I'll post it right here somewhere, but here we go. There it is. That's actually a big bottle. I don't know if it's because I have small hands. It's pretty nice. It snaps. It's got a good tight seal, tight snap. The cap is like, it's got some weight to it. Let's see. Okay, so smelling it from the Atomizer, I'm not really smelling Invictus. It smells like the Invictus DNA, but not quite, no. Alright, so first spray. See how the Atomizer is. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice Atomizer. Whoa, that is super sweet. Super sweet. Like a spicy cotton candy. Bubblegum. Not but like bubblicious bubblegum, but like just gum in general. Like sweet gum. Okay. First spray. Here we go. Whoa. That is just one spray. Look how saturated that is. Whoa. That is a lot. That's a really good sprayer, guys. Okay. I can see where people are going when they say it smells like Invictus, but it kind of smells like it, but it's got a more woodsy smell to it. Citrus, fruity, sweet, aromatic, white floral, fresh, powdery, musky, soft, spicy, anise. The notes are apple, Italian lemon, Sicilian bergamot, star anise, plum, orange blossom, cardamom, musk, amber, driftwood, and moss. So you can definitely smell the apple and the bergamot, lemon for sure. The star anise is there. I think that's what's giving it like that little bit of like spice along like the woody smells, like obviously the driftwood and the moss, and then the amber. The plum is definitely there, and the orange blossom you can smell, the cardamom you can smell. You can actually smell everything that's listed in these notes. I'm not sure if these notes are the exact correct notes, but this is from Fragrantica. So okay, you know what it kind of smells like? This is crazy, but this smells a lot like Versace Dylan Blue. Like a lot. It's like Versace Dylan Blue without that instant smoke smell that's very faintly in the back. And you add like that drift woody anise smell. This is really good. In the very beginning, like the first smell that I got, yes, it kind of smelled like Invictus, but this smells more like Versace Dylan Blue. That's crazy. This is definitely just like a fuckboy scent, like for sure. Yeah, this smells super good. I was kind of skeptical, like, because this was so hyped up like months and months ago, and I finally just went ahead and got it. But yeah, I'm kind of glad that I did because it smells pretty good. Yeah, I'd probably say like 20% of like Invictus, and then like the 80 other percent is Versace Dylan Blue. Like if those had a baby, that's what it smells like. And that's what I'm gonna stick with. It smells like it's gonna last a pretty long while. It's very strong. It's very projecting. It's like it's very strong. I'd probably say this is more projecting than Versace Dylan Blue. But also this is a EDP, and Versace Dylan Blue is EDT. I'm gonna give this a double thumbs up. It is a fuckboy approved scent. It leans more on the masculine side. I wouldn't say it's, I would say it's unisex. Let's see what it says. It says for men. But I do feel like women could wear this. I feel like it would smell super sweet on a woman's skin. I don't really have skin as a woman because I've never really worn perfume my whole entire life. It's always been cologne. I'd probably say like 65% on the male and the rest like on the female. So yeah, definitely check it out. Definitely worth the money. It smells really good.